Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to combine my Dollar Tree DIY. You can use any type of stamp that you want, but of course I'm going to use my Stampin' Up! Stamp and then some Stays On ink. And let me show you what we can do here. And then I'm going to use some acrylic markers as well. So if you do any type of crafting at all, you may have some of this on hand. Otherwise, you can use some markers and do whatever you'd like. So I chose my block that actually matches up pretty well here. So I'm going to take my stamps and decide what I want and where. I'm actually going to place them exactly where I want it. So I think I'm going to do a little bird right there. And then I was going to do some flowers, but I think this actually would be pretty cute like that. Yeah. Just like that. And then let's see if I need a little. No, I think we're good. Just like that. So whatever stamp you want. I know Michael's has some really cute ones that are actually this size. So I'm just going to stick this right on here to get it to stick properly. Then I'm going to take the Stays On jet black ink. And you want to get that Stays On because that will exactly do that. It'll stay on that nightlight. Again, the nightlight is just from the Dollar Tree. And when I put this down, I'm going to make sure not to move it.
Someone's at your door.
We got somebody at the door. Okay, so we've got that down, and now I can pull that up, and we've got that stuck right on there. Okay, now I'm going to take the little bird off, and I am going to add some more leaves on here. Well, let's see here. There we go. Perfect. And then I'm going to push this down just a little bit down here, and I'm going to add a little bit more right here at the top. Really make like that bird is in a tree there. And another little bit right in here. Yep, super, super cute. And that is going to stay on once it dries. It's exactly that. It's going to go ahead and stay on. Speaking of staying on, I'm going to clean off my stamps really quick so that it doesn't stay on here. And then I will show you the rest because it is really, you know, plain right now. I'm going to have to clean that with better cleaner. But at least I got the most part off. So now I'm going to take some of my different alcohol markers. These are Stampin' blends that I'm using. And we're going to decide what color we want this bird. And I think we're going to go with a blue bird here. So which color is this? The Night of Navy. Oh, this is going to be a nice, pretty dark bird. All right, first we're going to work on the Stampin' Blends. We're going to work on the leaves here. And I'm doing the back because if I do it on the front, that alcohol is going to just take that right off. But I could still see. So I'm going through here and coloring these. You guys, this is only $1. What a great gift this could be, right? For somebody. We got that. And I am so looking forward to doing that bird, because I know that when I do this, that was with the large size. I'm going to do the smaller side now. Anyways, I know that when I put this on, it's going to be just perfect because I can go inside those lines. And there we go. Oh, I forgot this one. And then again, they are alcohol markers. So I have a light and a dark. So if I wanted to give it some depth, I could do that as well. But I'm not going to on that one. That was the old olive I was doing there. And now I'm going to take this light because I don't want to go too dark on the bird. And see how that comes out. Oh yeah, that's not dark at all. So we're going to color this bird in with the light Nida Navy. And I'm going to color his feathers. And then I'm going to leave the bottom part of him a little bit. There we go. Make sure you get it all colored in. You could put, there we go. Can you see that better? There we go. And then once that alcohol evaporates, the only thing that's going to be left there is the color. Alrighty. So I'm going to go in now with some of this darker. And put some on. My goodness, it's super cute. And if I could just find a little orange color there, we got some paper pumpkin. And I'm actually going to, you can see it, but I'm going to try, did I say paper pumpkin? I meant pumpkin pie. I'm going to put it on with a marker and see if that's any darker. Because you could use markers as well. Yep. We'll give his little feet some color. And then I'm going to go here with some early espresso, and we'll give the ground a little bit of coverage as well. Kind of like a tree. Alrighty, and there you go. You've got your own personal night light. So I will go ahead and take a picture. I'll go plug it in so you can see exactly how it is. If you like this, it's a nice little Dollar Tree DIY with some stamps there. And wouldn't that make a great little gift? You could personalize it so well. All right, beauties. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you share this with your friends and subscribe if you want to see more. Okie dokie, I'll talk to you later. Bye.